Good morning, beautiful people. This morning I'm bringing you to another fishing trip. This time I'm going with my friend Remy. Has the same name as me. And no kids. We're going a little bit earlier. As you can see, it's dark. Hopefully we get there. It's still a little bit dark. But shit, I think I forgot all my, my hooks and all that stuff. Or it might be in the back somewhere in a box, because I didn't find anything inside. So hopefully it's in the back of the Jeep. It's gonna be a weird trip. Stay tuned. We got a fish on.
Ouais.
Puis toi, ça en vient chez vous.
Là, on m'a envoyé des crying face, puis des affaires de même. Là.
Pour mieux sur le téléphone. We asked the guy if we could put our line right there in the hole, but they said no. So we're hoping they're gonna get lost our way. We've had a few bites, one trout so far. Still nice, warm in here, and we have a little lunch. We'll be able to take my little Coleman and cook some wieners, sausage.
Right.
Little lunch.
Cheddar sausages.
Awesome. And if we're hungry, really hungry, we have some shrimps. Plenty of shrimps. Finally got one. Woo! Nice one too. That's a nice one. Holy jeez. Woohoo!
On va prendre une photo là.
That's 14, 15 inches. No. 13 maybe.
Oh non, je sais pas.
I lost it.
Une fraîche, elle vient juste d'être à l'eau, donc on l'a sortie bien. Elle vient juste d'être dedans. Elle n'a pas morti. Elle pense qu'elle l'avait fait elle-même.
Look at that. Nice. And I even have my bait still.
Don't lose that one.
Beautiful trout. Lost another one. Well, hopefully we'll get some. Well, I suppose it was a nice sacrifice. I caught one, but yeah. $2 on Temu, so give me a nice lunch. Let's put it this way. Luckily for me, my friend had a spare one, and I still have two of those. I have a few small rods at home. I'll be able to fix something, keep the same reel or whatever. Yeah. That's a nice one. Oh shit. A piece of bait left. Oh, one more. That's a nice one too. We are one away from our limit. There's one missing. We got 9. We're allowed to 10. And we have about 30 minutes left before we head home. There's a snowstorm coming and we want to be out of the road before it starts. So about 30 minutes left until we start packing and we go back home. Well, we're leaving. He's got 5, I've got 4. We're allowed 5 each. Have fun?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. We'll be back for sure. It was warm in the tent. And we got lucky to see when they're letting the trout in the lake. It was pretty awesome. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to share, like, subscribe if it's not already done, and I will see you next time.